everyone, welcome back to another beautiful day and another beautiful vlog. Anyways, before we even get started, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. A lot of amazing things coming to you on your way. But I would like it if you guys told me what are the things that you want me to do. Like, I'd be really happy to know it. Yeah, my car is actually a mess because it's a lot of outfits in my car, and then you'll know why I have a lot of stuff in my car. So we're heading to Sofitel. It's a hotel, so we're gonna be staying there, like me and my friends. So this is gonna be our third sleepover. Sleepover terminology actually sounds very cute. Like you use it back in school days, no, it's pretty cute. Anyways, so we're gonna be going there and staying there for like 2 days. And we'll have a lot of fun, and I'll show you guys what are the things that we're gonna do and all the amazing stuff, and the dinner, the breakfast, the spa, the pool, the area, the place. It's a very beautiful place actually. Like, if you want to stay with your family, if you want to go chill, take a break and go chill, this is the best place for you guys. But I thought I'll create some content as well, so I've called a friend of mine. He's gonna come click some pictures. He's really good at what he does. Anyways, I'll keep you all posted, and I want you all to stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you in the next part. Okay, anyways, stay tuned. I love you all. So finally we reached. We're inside the room. It's a beautiful room. More than the room, the view is beautiful. I want you all to see the view. One sec, but before that, I'm gonna show you inside and then outside. Couple of what is it? Starters are like some refresheners that they've kept in the room. I can see dates and like chocolates and like what is it called? Scones and a cute little cake. And this is the room. You know, this piece I would love to keep it in my home. Do you want to take a piece when you leave?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Are you gonna take? Why you're so silent, Wasim? I'm sure you guys must have seen Munna in my pictures. So he is Munna's friend. That's how we met. There's someone calling me. So this is the room. Hello. Oh, let me show you the view. Hi, how are you? How was the date? This is my second time asking the same question. It was not a date? What did he gift her? A pen. A fat pen. A fat pen. A fat pen. Here's the view. It's beautiful. Anyways, I haven't shown you guys the washroom, even I haven't seen myself. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm opening it. It's nice. I really like the vibe, the color. What are you guys looking at?
It's a gift for you.
Okay, let's open and see what's inside. Hey, do you wanna do the honor?
Yeah. Got it.
I have a feeling it's gonna be chocolate. What do you think? It's gonna be a pen?
Yeah, shut up.
Okay. Now you want me to shut me up? Sorry, shut up, huh? Okay, open it. I think it's gonna be chocolate.
Hey, cards?
It's cards?
Oh, Uno cards?
Yeah, Uno cards. We'll call the boys. And be like, hey, let's play.
Wow, it's a card? No. Yeah, it's a card.
It's card.
It's a
card game.
Card game.
Okay, anyways, I expected chocolate, but something else came out.
Wow.
What is there to be warm in it? It's card. Do you like the place? Ask me if I like it.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Are you sure?
I like it. It's actually very beautiful, very peaceful.
The place is very beautiful. The food is amazing.
So we ordered what? What did we order?
We ordered the afternoon tea pack, which has got a box of 17 items.
17 items, she said.
Yeah.
That's going to be massively a lot. Okay.
And I'm gonna have a latte.
I'm going to have latte as well.
Yeah.
But I thought you were going to give your latte to Shadia.
Yes.
Sharing is caring, darling.
Exactly.
Okay, anyway, so let the food come, and I'll show you all the food. You're going to explain about the concept you have about afternoon tea, yeah? So please go ahead. We would love to know.
So like we say, basically afternoon tea in England. So because we have the French style here, so that's why we call that legoute. Basically legoute for the kids only in the France, because they spend time in school, they do in school, the kids. So when they reach home, the parents treat them with something sweet, something savory like candy to make them happy, to make them have good mood, something like that. So we took that concept here. So 2 p.m. until 6 p.m. And our guests can enjoy how is it our like French culture, French things. So I hope you enjoy it us.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. We're
I
gonna
want
love
to ask
it.
you something. This is your first time, right?
Yeah, it's our first time.
So do you know what is exactly inside? No.
No.
You need to guess it. No, the first clue is not edible.
It's not edible.
Yes, exactly. It's related to your afternoon today. Come on, give me one. At least one answer.
No other clues? It's not edible. And what is it? Yeah. What is other clue?
The other clue is related with your afternoon tea. Yes.
After sugar.
Hello.
Sugar is edible.
Sugar is here.
Ah, okay. I give up.
It's not edible.
Oh, it's not edible.
Ah, it's a key.
Yes.
It's the key to unlock it. Okay, is it right?
Not yet. Oh yes.
Wow. It looks amazing. Yum.
How is it? This is our signature actually. This is really nice.
Thank you.
Wait, is the
So we have to unlock this one, yeah? Is it the
It's
same
like
thing?
Crunchy, but inside is too soft.
It's like a cake, huh?
It's not like a cake. It's like a really soft inside.
Yum.
This one is milk filled honey cream.
Okay.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Alright. I think it's just not much. Yeah, done. Yes, got it. And that's the savory box.
For a coffee, and this is what they got for me. A coffee where my picture is there in it. This is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Yeah, it's a customized coffee just for myself. How do you feel about this? Nice? Thank you. Excellent. Okay, bye. So we had our, what was it? Afternoon tea. And now we've come for dinner. And we had like a small gap. So we made a lot of videos and like it was so much fun. And now we've come for dinner. What's name again, Anusha?
It's Brasserie Baloo.
She's always been a nerd since school, so like she knows everything. What is this over here? What is this?
It's sparkling water.
Oh, sparkling water.
No, this one, the bread
It's
and
actually
butter.
bread with the butter.
Okay, I'm really excited for the dinner. Like really. And this place is so beautiful, guys. Look at this chandelier. I told him that I'm gonna get the same chandelier like once I get my home. I would love to get it as well. What? That's sparkling water, darling. Look at this place. Starters. Here is a prawns, eggplant, no, this is, and here is a salad. Wow, let me try it. It looks yum actually. So, here's the main course, the burger, the basmati rice, and what is it? Lamb stock or something, I'm not sure. And here's a fish. Sea bass. Oh, the Shahid came here. Hello Shahid, how are you? The choreographer, the dancer, the teacher, the all-in-one talented master of the year. Okay, goodbye. Here comes the, what is this called? What is this thing called? The white color? Huh? Okay, it looks delicious. And here's the French toast. The, what is this? Cones, yeah?
Mandling.
Chocolate fondant.
Okay, chocolate fondant. Okay, anyways, it looks delicious. Are you excited to eat it? Are you excited to eat it? This guy, he hasn't eaten anything ever since he's been here. And the master is always the best because he tries to, he likes to try everything. And the lady, why are you doing that yourself? Because you want to look more fair. It's dark, that's why. Give me, I'll do it for you. Ah, look at you, girl, mashallah. Okay, let's eat it. Welcome to day 2. Good morning. How was the breakfast? I didn't go for the breakfast. The girls went for the breakfast, and we're heading to this place where I have to like do a shoot. And we have Anusha's mom here today. Hi, Hi, Mark. You had your breakfast, no?
Yes, I
Why
had
you
my
guys
cardio.
ditched me? They went for the breakfast, they ditched me and they went. I'm so sad. I didn't expect this.
You were sleeping and we didn't want to disturb you, so we thought, okay.
Yeah, but you guys ordered French toast for me. That's so nice of you guys to do.
We had yummy French toast for you, and also Billy Bao. That was amazing as well.
Amazing. It was actually always very tasty. Anyway, so we're heading to this place and we dropped she dropped Shadi because it's her first day at work.
She was a bit
Oh, I actually wanted to vlog that as well, but like, anyways, she was nervous, no?
She was very nervous.
She was very nervous. So she
got
actually
late, by the way.
Yeah, she got late by 2 minutes.
Yeah, by 2
late. She's a very studious, punctual girl. Huh? Don't even compare. Anyways, I'll keep you all posted. Oh, what a tiring day. We got done. We're actually here in Dubai World Trade Center Mall. Hi.
Hello.
How was it? Now let's go have lunch, no? Because I'm really hungry.
Yeah.
You guys had your food, everything you guys are sorted. But like I'm super hungry. I'm starving now. It's very sunny also. I hope the sun. Yeah, I hope.
We're wearing matching outfit, by the way.
Yeah, we're actually wearing matching yellow. Did you just copy me in the morning?
Yes.
You're like, oh, Jumana is wearing yellow. I also
got
wear
pink
yellow.
first.
I'll also wear yellow. This is Dubai World Trade Center Mall. And this is the exhibition place where you get everything for nice price. So we've come back to the hotel to have the lunch. Massive lunch. It's gonna be huge.
It's gonna be huge.
Yeah. The place is actually very nice, no?
I'm busy.
She's actually very busy, huh? She doesn't have time for me. Ah! Let's go inside. I'll show you the place. Hello. I met this beautiful lady. Look at her eyes, you guys. So beautiful. I love it, mashallah. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful, mashallah.
Thank you.
I think we'll sit inside because outside it's kind of hot. So I thought we'll sit inside. So I think we'll sit there. That's it. That end. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, beautiful lady. So here's a very different, unique kind of lunch. Here's chicken. There's bread. This is bread, by the way. Can you believe it? And there's your coffee. You don't have your coffee, by the way. This girl's always on her phone. Here's the veggies. Let me try the veggies. Oh, I asked them for the veggies for me. Huh? Lol. Okay. Yum. Yeah. Thank you. Here's the dessert. This modified virgin pina colada. So I'm a big fan of pina colada and he got me the modified one. This is amazing. It's massively huge. Thank you.
There was a bit of mango as well, a bit of cherry syrup. Played around.
And coconut, everything.
And you definitely have your coconut.
I'm gonna try it.
Like your
Thank you.
pineapple.
Thank
Got your
you.
milk. Enjoy.
So she's back from her work. Hi girl, how are you? And we just came for dinner right now. It's a Chinese restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant? I'm not really sure. Anyways, yeah, this is what we had for starters. This is my drink. I'm gonna try it now. Oh my god, check this out. I think this is beef, yeah?
Yes.
Are you... I'm gonna try this. This is fish, I guess? I'm not sure what this is. Are you... so she was actually knew that I was gonna vlog. So she was trying to pretend like she knows how to use a chopstick. Wow! Fake it till you make it, bro. Okay? Okay.
I don't know, so I'm not gonna try.
Okay, do you know how to try? My god, bro, he's using one chopstick. That is an achievement, bro. Big round of applause for this guy. This is chicken and here goes the beef. What do you like? Oh, by the way, guys, I love this thing. This is, what is this? Hummus. Hummus. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Here's the rice. My god, look at the desserts. So I always wait for the dessert part. Are you excited to try it? So here is the chocolate that she's gonna pour.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So we make a
Is it chocolate? Green
It's
chocolate?
matcha. Green
Mocha.
So you make a swimming pool for the lucky cats.
Oh.
Gonna drop it.
Ooh.
Wow.
Voila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.